This one is a 1918 Corona folding number 3. Folding, it folds down like this, so you can fit it in the case. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. This one has one roller underneath the platen, so you have to push it down a little bit like that to feed it. The margins are behind the carriage here, and you just move them like that on each side. Just push them with your thumb. I like to set them after these paper fingers so they don't run into them when you're typing. It has a paper tray that folds up. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them stick or skip. The function, it's got 3 rows, that's why it's called a 3. So in order to utilize all of these keys, it has a figure button and a cap button. So the cap will do capital letters and the figure will do the numbers and the symbols. I'll type a sentence on the next line. To get back to the beginning, you just push the carriage like that, and to skip 1 or 2 lines, you just press it with your thumb, and to switch from single to double, you just move that back and it'll skip 2 lines like that. We're going to keep it on single for now and go back down to the next line. Very nice type of machine. It's over 100 years old. Very classic style typewriter. And it's got the glossy, nice decals. Pretty rare. I haven't had many of these. The print's really nice. It looks classic too. I haven't had many of these folding machines. They're very popular and well made for their age. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch forward right there. Unleash the rollers underneath, allowing you to pull it out easier or load thicker paper. It's got a backspace on this side here. That works good. So to use the figure, you just like a shift button, and it has the symbols on what it'll print. That's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.